Alright, so I realize this is kind of a silly comparison, but I'm going to run my Stihl MS362 against this little guy here. Now, obviously this is not an apples-to-apples comparison. This is just the Ryobi's 12-inch bar, 18-volt brushless battery-powered saw, but honestly I've been pretty darn impressed, and I have no doubt that it will actually make it through this tree. It's maple, it's about 11 inches in diameter, but just for giggles, let's compare the two. Both of them have recently been sharpened, and they're both ready to go, so we'll start with the one that won't be surprising. We'll start with the Stihl. So as you can see, it makes pretty quick work of that. So, just for the heck of it, let's see how the 18-volt version of this will go. So as you can see, not bad at all, really. I mean, obviously you're not going to cut your firewood with it, but I don't think the real intention of the saw was to replace anything like that. And honestly, I gotta say, I have been super impressed with this. Just general limbing, trimming up around the house. Maybe, you know, you just got something quick you need to cut down or whatnot. This thing is absolutely perfect. You know, it's quiet, easy to maintain. So for what it is, I think it does pretty darn good. And as you can see, if it were, you know, an emergency situation for some reason, you could easily cut through something like that. So I've been very impressed, especially with the price point, and especially if you own any of the other Ryobi tools. It's a great one to add to the collection. But I figured that would be a fun little comparison.